Hey everybody. Right now we are checking in for the daily journal report. Looking here at Live Coin Watch. Recently I've been looking at this website and found it's got a lot of really good data and it's fast and it appears to be reliable. Also they have a lot of tracking and data for coins that um, I'm not seeing on many of the other bigger websites. Let's take a look. Cryptocurrency market overview for today. We are just at the $1 trillion market cap. We've got a volume 24 hours of $40 billion. We'll take a look at the log chart. Our crypto market cap looks a lot like Bitcoin's overall history chart, and Bitcoin dominance is down 38.79%. That's been a little problematic because once we know Bitcoin dominance starts to break down, we know we may get an altcoin season built into this. We have an order book for exchange liquidity looking around here. Got a lot of good traffic today. Individual dominance chart. You see that Bitcoin is on a little bit of a rise recently, but note when it has had the full breakdowns, other coins, including ETH, XRP, all those other ones, enjoyed a breakout session. So that's essentially what you're looking for an altcoin or an altcoin season. Not financial advice, do your own research. But we see a lot of nice good dominance breakout here. Market cap domination. Ooh, look, there's an ad. Alright, gonna go over from there. I like to check out another website that's specifically only to XRP's ledger. And this is xrpl.to. And again, I like to take these lookouts because some stirring in the XRP network now is NFTs. There's voting going on to implement that into the blockchain consensus and to add a lot more support and functionality to it. So I think we're going to see a resurgence of NFTs, and people are going to start taking a look at XRP a lot closer. A lot of these are very interesting. I'm not necessarily, I own a couple, but I'm not promoting any of them. I just really like getting data together and being able to use it functionally. Going back to our live coin watch, let's take a look at some of my favorite coins. Favorite coins, looks like we got a little bit mild treading water today on the 1 hour and the 24-hour price ranges, but we at least have our heads above water. We also have a nice spread for the remainder of all my favorite little coins here. This is not advice. Don't buy any of this shit. It's absolute crap. I wouldn't buy a damn thing of it. Here's another really great thing about Live Coin Watch is that they have it where you can demarcate and cut off and funnel down into smaller ecosystems. For instance, they have Phantom, Avalanche Chain, XRP, Stellar's ecosystem. Everything that's on Stellar, it has gotten, it's pulled the data out of the chains. It really is. It's something that I really like to just go to and just easily sorted information. So they didn't pay me. I'm not doing any of this for free. I'm doing this for my own education, my own interest, and I hope you do too. But for instance, I just narrowed it down to just the Algorand platform. And if I take off my favorites, I can get all of the Algorand platform on this one page in their coins. It's that simple. I don't need to go and hunt down Algorand. I'm going to bring out my wallet and connect it to one of the many. I mean, they've got some really good dApps on Algorand's website, blockchain. But there's a lot of it that you're looking at. You know what? I don't feel like having to import my wallet and all that stuff just to track and just to see how the ecosystem is going. At least this website has shown me that they will show us Algorand and XRP, which are two of my favorites. I know, shitcoins. Who cares? But again, you have a lot on like Tiny. Okay, yeah. So, anyways, really cool, really simple way to sort our platforms. Also, the other crazy thing is that these guys are really accessible. I emailed them and asked them a question about the sorting and filtering by category stuff, and they got back to me like that. So That's a good, reliable website that you can reach out and touch them. I haven't gotten into APIs yet. I'm thinking about it, but I've got to teach myself a little bit more before I can get into APIs. There's another really cool feature on here. You can do the exchange sorting. For instance, these are just a few exchanges that I just keep a thumbnail on, but they have virtually all of the exchanges. You can sort liquidity, sending, descending, all of that fun stuff. So it's got some very interesting and useful tools, and I don't think a lot of people know about LiveCoin Watch, so I'm passing it along. Let's go and check out Litecoin, Bitcoin. Oh, remember a couple days ago I was telling you about it either falling off the table or getting shorted? I think there might be something here. Because we take a look at this Litecoin Bitcoin chart. This is on the 4-hour. We had a breakout over the weekend. Yesterday. Yep, I had a breakout yesterday. And let me move that back over there. Into some immediate resistance and some tugging. This looks like it could be forming higher lows and lower highs. Mainly just going to keep an eye on the 4-hour charts for this. See what happens with this flag. This bull flag. Could actually be a bull flag come up out here, but I'm not betting the farm on that one just yet. Let's take a look at this Bitcoin dominance chart. Ooh, Bitcoin dominance taking a hit. A little bit of a tumble down here, but we're going to higher lows. That's a bearish turn on that. That one, if this keeps taking and this keeps dropping down, we can expect a bearish trend in Bitcoin dominance. And like we've said before, it's been clearly shown, and other guys on YouTube and everybody else has been able to do it. They've shown that when you have a breakdown in Bitcoin dominance, you have a tendency for altcoins to receive some of that value. That value is then flushed out of Bitcoin because people are scared out of it, or say, fine, I'm going to take my profits now and I'm going to move them into altcoins, which when the altcoins are severely depressed, for instance XRP, when the altcoins are severely depressed, they tend to be more volatile, faster, and they grow much faster at a much higher rate. For instance, if you bought, looking back at Ethereum before, let's see, what do I have an Ethereum there? Here's my Ethereum chart. Let's do reset. Let's back Ethereum all the way out as far as we can. You've been taking it on the chin, but Ethereum has been battling right here in this channel right here, and that may look like a little bit of a bull flag. But if it keeps at the lower lows and they don't keep high, they don't keep trending in that direction northward, it's not going to be good. So Ethereum could also see a breakdown. Ethereum has a lot of money that's just held hostage in it. I'll do a deeper dive on all my problems with Ethereum later on, but it's one of those I'm not too excited about either. So, see, volatility is relatively down in the market because VIX is only trading up 1%. If we jump back up to Dow Jones, we're only down 31 points. Got a little bit of that flag going there. Could have a potential for a V-bottom retrace out of there, but also could have a breakdown. Because if you have a breakdown, then also, therefore, there goes Bitcoin, because people in the midst of a breakdown or a retrace or negative economic times tend to go risk off, and that's why crypto gets so volatile and drops so fast. So, take it with a grain of salt, and that's what I know today. So, deuces. Whatever it is, yay, and smoke weed, worship Satan.